Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel again, and today we are going to discuss about one Ansible project, and I have mentioned the details about this project in this blog. If you want to check out this blog, check that from this link which I will be keeping in the description box. So let's start now. So first, create a web page through Ansible. So Ansible playbooks are amazing as we learned yesterday. So if you go and watch my previous videos, you will be able to see how I have explained about the Ansible playbooks and what if we deploy a simple web app using Ansible sounds like a good project, right? So let's start now. So creating a web page through Ansible. So first create 3 EC2 instances and make sure all 3 are created with the same key pair. You all know what is a key pair, right? Whenever we are creating a new instance, we create a new key pair or we can use the existing key pair. So while you are creating those 3 instances, please use the same key pair there. And if you want to more detail about what is a key pair, you can go and watch my previous videos where I have explained about how to create an instance in how to create an EC2 instance in AWS Cloud. Okay, so there are so 3 servers are created that include Ansible master and node servers. Let's say if you can see the screenshot, we have the 3 servers which are running. So one is a master node and other 2 we can consider as the node servers. Ansible master and the node servers. So next is install Ansible on the host server. Create the Ansible repository in the master server. So how to do that? So if you see this screenshot, first we are installing the Ansible onto our master server and creating an Ansible repository inside it. So next is install Ansible through apt in the master server, and you know how to use the sudo apt get right. I have explained all of this in the previous sections also. So first we need to update the apt because uh, if we take some time, then it needs some updation to install anything. So first we update and then we install the Ansible. So this is the command, as you can see. Then it will install the Ansible on the master server. So up to here, you might be clear that first we are creating 3 EC2 instances with the same key pair, and the next is we are creating Ansible repository on the master server, and then inside that we are installing the Ansible. Next is copy the private key from local to the host server. Ansible host at this path. So copy the private key that you have created while creating the server. So the key pair which you have created, right? So you can take that temp file in any notepad and copy that private key. So this is the key. Copy that private key and create an Ansible key for file and store the above private key. So you can create one file named as Ansible key and paste all of the key which is present in the PEM file, for which you have created 3 EC2 instances using one key pair. That one key pair, if you open after downloading, then you will be able to see this private key. Create a file on the master server and then paste this key and save it. So now provide access permission for the key file. Now change the permission for the key file, that is 600. We need to apply these permissions for the key file. and it should be stored inside .ssh. So next is access the inventory file using the sudo vim. It is the Ansible host. So under this path we have the inventory file. So create the inventory file in the master server to link the node servers to the master server. So under this inventory file in the master server, this is the master server, link the node servers to the master. So how we link, this is the server 1 and server 2, these are the node servers, and the Ansible host we paste it here. So this is how we link the node servers to the master. Now create a playbook to install Nginx. Create a playbook to install, start, enable Nginx in both the node servers. So we are creating this playbook as a single file, and we run this on the master node. Since the master node is linked to the node servers through the inventory, so this will get executed on both the servers, and on both the servers we can be able to see the Nginx have been installed, start and enabled when we run this YAML file. YAML file means playbook YAML file. If you can see here, first the name we have given. This playbook will install Nginx host all, means we are creating on all the hosts which are present in the inventory files, which is nothing but the two servers which we have created other than the master in the Ansible. And we come to the task will be update apt. So under the apt we are installing, first we are updating the apt, and then we are installing the Nginx. Name is Nginx and the state is the latest, so that it will fetch the latest Nginx and version and install that on the servers. And the next is start and enable Nginx. So next the name is Nginx, state started, enabled as. So this will start the Nginx and this will enable the Nginx. So this is the playbook and how it works. Now execute the Ansible playbook YAML file to perform the task. So execute the Ansible playbook YAML as you can see to perform the task. Ansible-playbook is a command, and the Ansible playbook name we give, file name we give. When we run this, then you can see the server 1 and server 2 both got updated. So gathering facts, okay, update apt, it got updated, and install Nginx changed, and then start and enable, yes, it got started and enabled. Now deploy sample web page using the Ansible playbook. Create a web page index.html file in the master server. Okay, so let's create this HTML file and modify the Ansible playbook to transfer the index.html file to the Nginx location. Okay, here you can see we have added the extra section. So creating a web page, name will be that, and copy this index.html from source to destination via www/html. In this location we are copying this index.html so that whenever this playbook runs, this index.html, whatever the data is having, it will show that in the web page. So now we have executed the Ansible playbook to execute the web page. If you log into the first node server to check the web page, as you can see, the both are having the same data since the Ansible playbook run on the both servers. Okay, so that's all for today. This is all about the Ansible project that you can create. Okay, thanks for watching.